participating schools, esteemed parents and dear students, good morning. Good morning. As I welcome you on behalf of the board and the management and the staff of St. Paul Senior High, permit me to share a few thoughts on the team. Developing future engineers today. This event brings together bright young minds and dedicated educators from several secondary schools, united by a shared passion for engineering and innovation. Today, we gather not as individual institutions, but as a collaborative community committed to fostering the next generation of engineers who would drive progress and transformation in our society. Let me share a short story with you. Many years ago, in a small village, there was a young boy called Kofi who loved to tinker with anything he could find. One day, while exploring the attic of his family's home, he stumbled upon an old broken radio. Fascinated by its intricate design, he decided to repair it. With limited resources and no formal training, Kofi spent countless hours studying the radio's components, experimenting with different fixes. After many attempts and numerous failures, he finally succeeded in making the radio work. His persistence and ingenuity did not go unnoticed. Kofi went on to become a renowned engineer, known for his innovative solutions and contributions to his community. Kofi's journey from a curious boy in a small village to a celebrated engineer exemplifies the power of passion, education, and determination. It highlights how the right support and opportunities can transform a young man into a beacon of innovation and progress. In today's rapidly evolving world, engineering stands at the forefront of technological advancement, offering solutions to some of the most pressing challenges we face, from sustainable energy and advanced technology to infrastructure and healthcare. Engineers play a pivotal role in shaping our future. Our mission here is to equip you, our students, with the knowledge, skills, and mindset required to excel in the field of engineering. This journey begins with a strong educational foundation provided by your schools and is further enriched by collaborative events like this fair. Academic excellence. We prioritize a rigorous academic curriculum that covers the essential principles of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics STEM. Our dedicated educators from all participating schools are committed to delivering high-quality education that challenges and inspires you. Practical skills. Engineering is a discipline that requires practical skills and experience. We provide access to a state-of-the-art laboratories, workshops, and technology. Through internships, industrial visits, and mentorship programs, you will gain valuable exposure to the engineering profession, learning from experienced professionals, and understanding the demands of the industry. One of the most exciting fields in engineering today is artificial intelligence. AI is transforming industries and creating new possibilities in technology.